What is good, people? This is my new to you but old to me Makino NJS fixed gear bike. I've had this bike for about a year now. This is the first time you're seeing it. Let's do a quick bike check. Makino steel frame. This is an NJS track bike, which means it was used in professional track racing in Japan. The race tag sticker is here. We have got a Sugino Zen chainring, 52 tooth, Sugino 75 crankset in 170, Dura-Ace track hubs front and rear. I believe these are the NJS ones. They are laced to H+ SL42s. Got Dura-Ace seat post, Nito stem, Nito handlebars, Vans Colt grips, AliExpress saddle, Goodyear Eagle Sport tyres. These are actually not bad. MKS Urban platform, what are they called? Yes, Urban platform with MKS leather straps and some pink plastic cages or nylon cages because metal won't snap. Got a nice sparkly paint job, very typical of NJS bikes. The tubing on this is Columbus Spirit Kirin, which is one of Columbus's lightest tubings that they make. It's quite a heavy bike, mostly due to these deep aluminium rims. Yeah, today I'm going to take it to the bike shop to get this headset knocked out so that I can put something else in. But yeah, I thought I would do a bike check on it in its current state before I start taking it apart and putting new parts on. Alright. So now I'm going to quickly take this bike apart as fast as I can and get myself over to the bike shop. No talking in this segment. So I can't get the headset off because I need two spares need one to hold this top nut and the second one to hold the bottom nut. I've been trying to just loosen it by turning the top nut, but the whole thing is turning. So no joy there. How am I going to carry this? Back from the bike shop, headset is out. I didn't film in there because too many people around and just felt a bit weird. But yeah, frame is now pretty much naked. Gonna keep these cranks and chainring on for now. Maybe it'll change in the future, who knows. Yeah, frame's now ready for new parts to be transplanted on, and that will probably be the next video here, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out.